So this steering angle sensor is still not right. Even though I erased it, I thought maybe it was just saying it's erratic. But I read the live code and found out that it's like, I think 360 degrees off. So I think when they aligned the car, they had to turn the wheel and to straighten it out. I think it's 360 off. So let's figure that out. I think I'm gonna have to take the shaft off, turn it 360 degrees, and reconnect it to get this light to go away. And hopefully you don't break the clock screen in it. Replay, man, and it's early in the morning. I'm test driving this 2008 Dodge Nitro. The steering does feel pretty tight for the most part. I think I need to add some shims to actually get it right where it needs to be. You know, it's just old, man, wore out a little bit. But I'll show you the next little clip. But this steering angle sensor is definitely off by 360 degrees from where it was. So now I got this light coming on, and now I think my ABS is not working, and I don't know, something else to work on. So I think hopefully I can slide the shaft up. I don't know if there's enough play to slide it up and turn it 360 degrees. I may be able to do that, and then I should be able to get going. But I gotta go to work. So let me do that first, and then we'll go from there. Hey y'all, so I was able to stop by the shop and get this bolt, this 1/2 inch, bolt loose from the steering wheel. I pushed it up, and now I'm going to rotate the steering wheel 360 degrees. I'm going to cut it on, use my AP 200 Autel tool, make sure that I'm actually 360 degrees the opposite way, and it should line up everything back again. So right now I'm slowly turning it 360 degrees to the left because I was off, and this should reset it right there. I'm gonna shim it up, put it back together. So let's see, I was thinking I got these, if I can find it real quick, but I had, these right here from, spark plug gap tool that just fell apart. I may be able to stick one of these in, a thicker one, just to kind of shim it up. I'm gonna try like one like this, just stick it in there, just to give it something more to grab onto around that steering column. All right, so I went ahead and rotated this whole 360 degrees, and I'm gonna slide this back on here. Should go fairly good back on there, if y'all can see that. So let me figure out how to slide this on. There we go, like that. Y'all can see that. And I was gonna take one of these and kind of see if I could stick it in there. I'm probably gonna have to bend it, and just to give it something else to grab onto. But let me figure out what I can do. All right, so I got everything back nice and tight, if y'all can see that. And I should be back on 0. And then that steering angle sensor light should go away. All right, so let's go ahead and crank her back up. And thinking this light should just automatically go off, right? Let me clear it. All right, so I cleared the code. I'm gonna drive for a little bit. Let's see if it comes back up. I don't think it will. I think it was 360 off from, where they had to line it and where they put me back on. So I just wanna make sure we don't break that clock spring in here. That's gonna be trouble. But let me drive for a little bit and go from there. All right, everyone, so I think we got it, man. The light hasn't come back on yet. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing home. I'm gonna make sure that 1/2 inch bolt that's going in the steering column is really tight. It seems okay enough, but I still got looseness in the front suspension. I think I still need control arms, stabilizer bars, bushings, and all of that. I think I still need to do all of that. So I'm gonna talk to this guy David that I met over there at Big A's. Man, he sounds like he's a good mechanic. See how much he'll charge to do the rest of it. If he charges $300 or whatever, shit, that might be worth it right there. It's a lot of work. But he get everything put together, get it relined, and have nice tight suspension, and I think I just need to go ahead and get shocks and all that. But just want to let you know, I appreciate y'all looking at the video, man. But that's why I had the steering angle sensor erratic, you know, check engine light. It wasn't check engine light, it was a code that was part of the ABS. It was saying my steering wheel was off. It was off by 360 degrees. It was saying it was negative 360 degrees. So what I had to do was actually disconnect it from the steering column, rotate my steering wheel. When I'm looking at it, I had to rotate it to the left 360 degrees. And I had the app, that Autel AP200 OBD2 scanner live data running at the same time, so I could see that I was going in the right direction before I hooked it up and broke my clock spring, because you don't want to break the clock spring, because I'm pretty sure you go 720 degrees off, then that might be an issue. But I appreciate y'all checking out the video, man. I gotta get to work. I gotta go to work. I can't be messing this car no more. So I got jobs I gotta do. I got people calling, and I'll catch you in the next one, man. Appreciate y'all looking at it, and like, share, subscribe. See ya.